Hey guys, and welcome to today's video. So today I'm going to be reviewing Underrated Slime Shop. So yeah, let's go.
This first slime is called Santa's Milk. It is a glossy slime and it is such a clicky slime. It smells just like Fruit Loops. I really love the scent. The crackling noises are perfect. The poking is too. The swirl is also pretty good. So this is one of my favorite slimes, and this one came in an 8 ounce. So this next slime is from Casey's Slime Factory, and it is called Parakeet Slime. It is super clicky, and the crackling noises are great, and so are the swirls. I really love this slime and I really recommend this slime. And again, it is from Casey's Slime Factory. This next slime is from Emerald City Slimes and it is cotton candy foam. I don't really like the texture of this slime. It's not stretchy at all. It breaks a lot. I don't like the texture. It's like the watery putty, but I don't really like it. I think it smells like shaving cream and a little bit like cotton candy, but you can tell she used contact solution because the texture feels like she used contact solution, which no slime accounts use these days, but it's okay. This next slime is from Potato Slimes, and this is Captain Crunch slime, and it is a very clicky slime. I really love this slime. It's very stretchy. The swirl isn't that good. Let's try. The crackling is pretty good, and so is the poke. This slime is a little extra that came with this slime. It's a nice pigmented slime. I really love it. It's so pretty. Super pretty. The poking is pretty good. I love the crackles too. The crackling sound. The swirl is pretty good too. It's not as good, I'd say. I rate this slime a 9 out of 10. Oop. This slime did come with a little extra, so this is just a little extra, and it does have few foam beads in it, but yeah. And this is by, I think, Crafty Slimes. Now this slime used to be a mixed avalanche slime that one person made, but I mixed it with the cotton candy slime because I really didn't like the cotton candy slime texture, and it was blue just like the cotton candy slime. So yeah, and then I added some purple of this or something. I don't know what. And it has some magenta, pink, white and purple foam beads in it, so yeah, I really like this. Slime's like a slime smoothie that I mixed some slimes. This next slime is from It's Slime Time. So as extras, I know what his extras were. He gave me this little business card, and there's a little care sheet on the back. This is his slime shop. So yeah, also gave me some borax, which I thought was very helpful. And also, to fit with the slime, he gave me a little Twizzler. This slime is called Strawberry Twizzler, which is a very nice name for a slime. It is made out of Daiso clay, so it's like so good. I really love this slime. It's like one of my favorites. Just like Santa's milk and pear seeds. And Casey's slime shop. I'm at factory. Let's focus. So, yeah. So this is made out of Daiso clay. It's a really nice slime. It's super smooth, and it's like kind of so just like the scent of it is a strawberry scent, like an artificial strawberry scent. It is very yummy smelling. I like just love this slime. So I definitely do recommend buying from his shop. So thank you so much.
Lastly, we have this gummy bear clear slime, and they included a little banana sticker and a diamond sticker, what I already used, but it is super cute. This is their little business card. They include a little care sheet, make your own activator, and they also include this little card to go follow them on Instagram and at their Etsy shop. So they also include a little caution stuff and instructions. So here is they also included a little baggie of borax, which I actually just lost. The bit included this baggie of borax.
So this slime is a very nice clear slime. I really recommend this slime. It's not that stretchy. It was super clear, but I think it's because they added a scent, and then once you started playing with it, it like stopped. They included 3 gummy bear charms. There's a purple one and 2 orange ones, which they are super cute and so they're so cute. I just love the slime.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe to this channel so you can see more fun videos like this. And comment down below one thing you got for Christmas or something you want me to do next.